Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In today's tutorial, we will dive deep into repairing the circuit board of your Thermomix TM5. This repair can seem daunting, but with the right tools and instructions, it's manageable. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing the electrical connections, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Having a small container to hold screws is also recommended to prevent losing them during the process. To start, unplug your Thermomix TM5 to ensure your safety. Remove the base cover by loosening the screws located at the bottom. This may require a Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious as some screws can be hidden or in tight spots. Once the base cover is off, carefully disconnect the power cord from the circuit board. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry off any connectors without damaging them. After disconnecting, visually inspect the board for any burnt components or obvious signs of damage. Now, using the multimeter, check the continuity of the circuits. If you find any broken connections, you may need to solder new wires or replace the damaged components. If you feel uncertain about this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help identify issues for you. Next, if you find dirt or debris on the circuit board, take a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol and gently clean the area. This ensures that no residue interferes with the function of the components. Once clean, allow the board to dry completely before proceeding. Now, it's time to reconnect everything. Start by attaching the power cord back to the circuit board. Ensure that all connections are secure, as loose connectors can lead to further issues. After everything is reconnected, replace the base cover and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Remember to keep track of all screws. Using a small container can help with that. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, meaning you don't have to make any calls or travel. Just let us know, and we'll handle the rest. Before you attempt to power on your Thermomix TM5, double-check all connections and screws. Once you are satisfied, plug in your device and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds or errors. If everything functions correctly, congratulations on completing your repair. Finally, if you require further assistance, we provide a quote before any repair service, ensuring you know the costs up front. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about your appliance repairs. That wraps up our detailed guide on repairing the circuit board of your Thermomix TM5. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have your kitchen companion back in working order in no time. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.